here doing a little antique mall run. Jacksonville, Florida. There's a lot of them down here. Me and Miss Heather.
Hey guys.
So we're gonna go ahead and see what we can find. We'll see you in a minute.
Okay.
So already I found one. It may not be a car, but there's this Tamiya Tiger 1 kit, 1/35th scale. It's pretty cool. They want $49 for it, which is cheaper than you can get it. I've already opened it and looked at the contents. They're all in there, but I'm a car guy. Anyway, pretty cool. Besides just looking for model kits, you do find other neat things like this Volkswagen original, Volkswagen owner's manual from 1969. That's really, really cool. It's got the chassis number of the car that was bought. 9/25, 1969. Wish I had the price. That would be even cooler, but it's got all the details about a I'm a Volkswagen guy, so that's really, really neat. I don't even know what they want for this thing, but probably more than it's worth. But really, really cool stuff at all these antique stores. Not to mention the, look at this. See if I can lay this down. Here's a Ford Performance book. That's really, really cool. $4. I don't know what year this is, but stuff like this is good for building your model kits because you can see just how things were placed on the engines, and like this 429 Boss and small block and a big FE. Really cool. Really cool. Yeah, so this reminds me of somebody, David Parsley. David likes to build custom emergency vehicles. Go check his channel out. It's David Parsley's Custom Scale Emergency Models. David, you should put that on one. Here's you an instrument panel for your it says 72. Oh, come on. There we go. 72 Ford pickup truck. I've got a 71 and it looks nearly identical to that. And then I remember those from the mid 70s. You know, that's some sort of Chevy. And for all you ship lovers, there's the Bismarck for $12. Found another model kit here. Monogram Pro Modeler. This one's back probably what, early 90s or something. No, 2003. Corsair. I opened it up. It's a glue bomb. It's only $5. Just not an airplane guy. Don't know what that is. Some sort of submarine toy turned upon its end. And I know that's the Millennial Falcon. Well, we're not having so much luck today. We've seen a couple, but airplanes, or tanks, or ships, but no cars. not a model car, but this thing is old. It's an old Mattel. What kind of car is it? Like a Barbie car. But man, that's got to be a Barbie car from like way back. 1962. Wow, that's cool. There you go, guys. If you're interested in a Barbie car, come get it. How much was it? 75 bucks. Wow, pretty cool. I've seen so many of these before. The old NASCAR telephone. So it's not a total loss. They do have an actual built model car. And I wasn't sure because the carburetors didn't look real at first. But this is, as far as I can tell, it looks like a real model car. I'm not 100% sure, but I can tell you the paint job is pretty orange peeled, so, and I'm pretty sure this is a, yep, it's a built model car. See the underside of the floor pan's not painted black. So that's pretty cool. It also had this other scoop for the carburetors that was under it. The only model car here. You guys remember when that came out? That 3000 GT twin turbo, that thing was so cool. It's called the Ferrari Fighter. 1990 Motor Trend magazine. Quite a few magazines down here. Old stuff. I see an 86 edition of Motor Trend 2 and a whole bunch. I'm not going to thumb through them all, but there's a lot here. And Santa Claus says, Merry Christmas. Okay, so that was, I did, you know, we saw those ships and tanks and toys and all that stuff, but and that one model car, it was already built, so that's kind of no good. But anyway, thanks for watching, and sorry it was a short video. No luck, but you do have luck sometimes and you don't have luck sometimes. So you're fortunate and sometimes not fortunate. It just depends on what you're looking for. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Oh, and there's my daughter, Ellie. Ellie, would you like to talk to the camera real fast? Say, hey.
Hey.
Oh, wow, you actually heard her voice, hopefully. Say it one more time, louder.
Hey.
Okay, maybe you heard that one. I'm forcing her to be on camera sometimes. All right, so anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to go to the Facebook group, visit Hobby Nut Models in the Teespring store, and we will see you on the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.